Hello, our team name is iOS and we are presenting a roommate finder application. Mm, we have two screens here and we have like a login and sign up buttons. When we click on like sign up button, this window opens up, and clicking on this image view we can like select any image that we want to set up for that particular user, and we can just like use first name, last name, email, password, and like a city thing which is like autocomplete. To fill the information, we have a drop down menu here and we enter the age of the user. Once we click on sign up, the user is signed up to the application. We can click on cancel to go back to the main page. I will just start signing this particular user by clicking on login button. The main page opens, that is like a forum page where all the posts regarding the rooms has been posted by different users. We can see the date and the place where the particular room is available for. We have like a sliding window here where you can like save this particular post if the user is interested. We can save this particular post, and let's try to click on this button. If we go back to like save post, we can see there is like one post which has been saved by the user, and we can see all the images for that particular post. We can go back to the forum and see there's also an option for chatting with the user, so that the user can be like ask if the room is available, or just try to negotiate with the other user by telling the amount that he or she is interested in. So I will just try to like clicking on and send a hi message to the user. That particular user now, we can try to log in that particular user here, and that particular user can see chats. She is now able to see that there was a message for her, like a hi message from this particular user like some moment ago. So if she clicks on this, she can type in hello, and I'm interested in your post. Is there any way that you can sell this, or you can reduce the amount to say 900, or let's say 800, and the user can just send the message here. The other user, she can like just agree or disagree with the message. So let's say she agrees it. Okay, I'm fine with the amount. I will send you a payment request. Thank you. So this user can now like click on this button where he or she can like attach images to that particular post the user is interested in. If the user asks for like new pictures for that particular room, or she can just request a payment for like say $800 as they have negotiated the term, and let's click on OK. We can see a toast here like requested amount is 800, and inside our Firebase we can check for that particular thing that the requested amount is 800. If we go on payment for this particular user, there's no payment thing, but if we go for this particular user on the right hand side, we can see someone has requested him for to pay for this particular room. So if we can just go like say pay now, the user needs to enter his credit card for the first time. So let's try to put this input and keep the expiration date as 2022 and add the card. Payment was successful, thank you for using Bootstrap. Now this particular user or any other user can see that particular post is not available now. So we are looking for 351 and there's no such post available here. Since this room is not available, the post has been removed from the forum. We have also added like a filter here, like sort by location or sort by date, filter by gender. So we will try to like sort for two different users. So let's say this user sorts by location, and for this particular user he lives in Charlotte, so and this user lives in New York. So this two may have like two different sorting list. Let's try to sort this location here and sort by location here. So for this particular user, Atlanta is like closer, and then this thing, and for this particular user, this is user. So this is done by comparing the lat long and all the distances. So yeah, this is like California, so it's like too far, so it's on the bottom of the list. Let's try to sort it by, let's say, date, and let's try to sort it by date here. We can see the list is like similar. It's been sorted like with respect to date 2019, 2020, 2020 February. Yeah, it's the same thing for here also. Let's try to sort it by a different, let's try to sort filter by, let's say, female. You can like capitalize or type a lowercase string here. It will accept both of them, and click OK. And let's try to filter by, let's say, male. So we can see all these posts are for male, and all these two posts are for female. The other post was also for female, but it's not currently available, so we are not showing the posts that are not available for booking this room. Other than that, we have like my post. We can see all the posts that the user has posted in the forum. There are like two posts. We can see these two posts. We can also see that this post is not available because someone has already booked for it and paid the amount. We can see chats. In the chats we can see the last message that the user has typed in. We can click on save post here to see all the saved posts for that particular user. We can click on save post for this user as well. There's currently no saved post, and we can create a new post by clicking on this and like giving the address for that particular place and who is this room available for. Select images, and then we can go to the payment section and see if there is any pending payment for the user. Currently there's no pending payment. We can see this payment here, and then we can just click on sign up to sign this user out of this application, and that's it. Thank you.